Hello everyone, welcome on our channel Belly Babes, where you get the new footwear design. So in this video we have mentioned price of these footwears also, and today I have brought different type of sandal and slippers here in this collection. So keep watching till end so that you come to know about this whole collection, which is a beautiful design with different type of style, different type of heel, block heel, fancy heel, cut heel, and flat of sandal with adjustable straps. So friends, one of the best sandal footwear collection you are watching here in this collection, and flat sandals are very beautiful, and these are perfect match with your lifestyle, and especially those ladies who are in search of very stylish and extra comfort. They are performing different of daily routine activities. As you can see, colors of these footwears are very beautiful, and most popular designs you are watching here in this collection. One of very sportive type of collection for all those people who are in search of very comfortable and very stylish type of easy to take on and out of sandals here in this collection. I tried my best to bring all those designs which are in fashion, which are very practical and comfortable and fit collection for all these group people. These are very lightweighted, so very comfortable at workplace too. But these you can use anywhere, casual wear, formal wear, office wear, and other special occasion. As you can see, different type of sandals, slippers, cross straps, single straps, double straps, adjustable straps here in this collection. So guys, these footwears are very stylish, elegant, and most popular you are watching here in this collection. If we talk about colors, here you will get white, black, brown, and off-white, all shineable colors here in this collection. I am sure that you are enjoying this beautiful collection of footwear. So friends, please one like for this video, and you can also share this collection with your friends and family members. And if you are new here in my channel, so please subscribe Belly Babes and press the bell icon button for getting notification of new uploads. And friends, if you are interested to buy one of the pair out of this collection, so just go to the description box of this video, where you will find the link of that site from where you can order one of the pair yourself. So let me know you again. Purchase link is given, and we have mentioned price of these footwears also in dollar. So friends, every pair is the most popular and beautiful design that definitely will appreciate this. So comment box is open for yourself, where you can drop your valuable comment regarding this collection, and if you want to ask something about it, you're most welcome to ask there.